What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Trenary Chevrolet in O'Fallon, Missouri, and today we're going to show you how to work the automatic push button tailgate. And it's actually so easy a kid can do it. So I brought my son with me today to show you how. So son, if we want to operate the power tailgate and let it down, how do we work it?
We just press this button right here and it'll come down in a jiff.
All right, so there it goes. So it just goes right down, huh? And to lift the tailgate back up from the cab of the truck, all you have to do is what, son?
You just have to push it down all the way and it'll come up in a jiff.
And you don't even need to leave the cab of the truck. To check out any of these cool features on any vehicles that we do have in stock, you can visit us in O'Fallon, Missouri, Union, or Troy, Missouri, or visit our website, JimTrenary.com.